Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Chooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A and the rest of the world. For now we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. I want to use this opportunity to let you know say from what happened to yesterday, we will get global crash for Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp. So I can't think say so if Facebook just shut down now, so we'll get issue with our program. You know say we'll be get YouTube platform before somebody come let us lose them. But now we don't create another one. So we say we could migrate our content small. So moving forward now I will prioritize YouTube over Facebook. If I shoot finish every day, I go first of all post them for YouTube before I go post them for Facebook, because I can't do research that yesterday to know what's really cause this Facebook outage, whether they hack Facebook and what's happened. So I can't discover say you get one woman where they call whistleblower. So the woman a former Facebook employee, so the woman collect some kind of documents from Facebook where they show say Instagram they very dangerous to young girls and Facebook know about them but they no talk. They see they prioritize money over the safety of people. So they talk about the same thing for Facebook. You know, the woman lay a lot of allegations with evidence and documents where she carry. So even today, the United States Senate one interview the woman like now open session. This I go watch on CNN. So they say they want interview her, make them hear what she talk, because the woman don't they talk plenty damning things against Facebook. So some people they talk say that's why Facebook won't switch off their server, make them hide some kind of things. You know, a lot of conspiracy theories. And you know, say YouTube now, no they related with all those Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So that's why I talk say I want them, even so I just go buy my domain name now, so that we migrate our content small. So I will drop the YouTube link for the comment section. If you do on YouTube, join us, because in the next 1-2 weeks we will migrate small. Very soon, my main priorities will be YouTube, because the way this Facebook they go now, we don't know how the court cases go. We don't know that they will shut down. We don't know. We don't just know what's in the sub. So I say make I let you know. Then if you do watch us from another platform, when will be GFL TV, you know go see the link where I go drop. But if you just search on YouTube, search Chooks Arsenal, you will just see our group. Join us, because I know if you drop link for another person group now. But for my own group, GFL TV, you will see the link. I go pin them for the comment section. You will see I'm there. So now wait till make I let you know until what happened yesterday. The thing shocked me. Yeah, right. Don't come outside. They criticize Odegaard for that match. They play for Amex Stadium. So Baba can talk say, so for that match, you know, see Odegaard playing anything. So you just surprised. Say, the same Odegaard we play very well against Tottenham Hotspur. Like, so waiting come make the guy disappear. No see him for field of play. Maybe the Congas come out and end. Well, nobody Odegaard now mess up. Every other person no really play well. Apart from Ramsdale, I don't think see anybody who will talk say okay Ramsdale, then probably Gabriel Magalhaes. Sure, the backline did a good job, because they don't defend well for concede well, but the midfielders and the forwards, they were not in that game. At the same time, we can't review how our new 6 boys don't fare, like Ramsdale, Odegaard, Tomiyasu, Ben White, Sambi Lokonga, you know, and Nuno Tavares. So all these 6 people, how I think say they don't fare? How I will score them? If they say 1/10, say how I will think say when I score them? Then who be the best buy of the season for me? For me, my number 1 best buy na Ramsdale, number 1. Then number 2 will be revelation na Tomiyasu. I don't know about you, so let me know who be your top, as in the best person who don't buy so far. Our maritally spirits they come out, they let us know say Arsenal don't draw up list of strikers so they go they interested in buying for January or for summer. So for that list they can put Dominic Calvert-Lewin of Everton. At the same time they can put Oli Watkins of Aston Villa. So now these 2 people, you know, say these people they don't they used to play for Premiership. This Oli Watkins I talked before. Say if the person won't go for the guy, because the guy they clinical on goal. The guy they very sharp and young with pace and power, everything. So now these people with the reason say okay we won't buy him. Well, now good list. Hopefully for January they still get change, and hopefully then Kroenke if still drop more money to add to what then get down. Then if you just get a striker, because what we need now striker. We need striker, because even if you see one chance, go. What we need now. Granit Xhaka don't give Amazon the permission to the film in rehabilitation. You get so they add them for the all or nothing thing where they do the filming episode and everything where they won't broadcast later. So don't give them permission. Well, that one a nice one. I know some people they complain like Odegaard say, you know, like as camera they follow up and that anything they play, but they get as a bit awkward. Well, Granit Xhaka don't give them your own permission. You see that match we play against Brighton, that match, you see they cause a lot of pundits when they talk, like Alan Smith now don't come outside the talk, say if they highly disappointed in Aubameyang. Say how can you move from performing very well against Tottenham, scoring a goal, and going to no shot on goal against Brighton? Like Brighton and Tottenham, would they be stronger? How can you do that? No shot on goal, no area, nothing. As in your presence was not there at all. Like we don't feel you, nothing. So how can you do that? So I must say the guy, if like say truly don't shot. Even Tim Sherwood self don't come outside the talk, say Arsenal they very boring for that match then play against Brighton. Say what you got boss in Bremen, say Arsenal no get plan B. Say because coach tell una talk say una go play from the back. That one means say una must they play from the back. You know if Santo the ball, go for corner, not and down. No, do some other things. So now what they shock am say they like to play for back. Say they're supposed to get plan B. If playing from the back no work, Santo the ball over the top. So now what they're supposed to do, but their brain no go that side. This guy and I just disgruntled Tottenham Hotspur former coach Jared. The guy just I don't say he hate us. So any opportunity when he gets, he go attack us, to give us jibe, talk some kind bad things. Why not go focus on Tottenham Hotspur and their rehabilitation with the way they play? Still on Arsenal search for striker, so Arsenal are interested in signing Lille striker, which they call Jonathan David. So say now I know say na strikers they search for, because this why we say Lacazette in tenure will still end at the end of the season. Aubameyang is 32 already, so I know say they no go pursue Aubameyang immediately. But Lacazette is possible say they no go renew in contract. In January itself, if you to find in square root, so they don't on the touchlights, they find a new striker, so they don't add Jonathan David to the list of Dominic Calvert-Lewin and Oli Watkins. Well, more this way, more people will join that list, because we really need striker. It's obvious, something that is audible to the deaf and visible to the blind. Everybody know, so it's very obvious. But at the same time, Arsenal they monitor the situation of Andrea Bellotti of Torino. Say this guy, a senior man for Italian national team and a senior man for Torino, but the guy never want to renew in contract. So the reason say, okay, as this matter be like this now, they go wait. Then if the guy no renew, that means the guy will come as a free agent at the end of the summer, or for January, instead of coming free at the end of the summer, if you give them chicken money, maybe they will collect. So we never know. So we see they monitor the situation. But Bellotti good though, we'll sign up. Former Brighton striker, which they call Glenn Moore, they come outside, call the talk, say that Arsenal team will play against Brighton. So truly, they don't play very well now, but say we dey prepare them so that they will come rule the world in the future, because if you check the average age of the team at just 24, so in the seeing them dominate the world, not now but in the future. But where this hypothesis get problem, they say say in the future all those Man City, PSG, Chelsea, Man U, they go still use money, they bust everywhere. You get, forget our own crop of players we get now. You still get some kind of stars we go for other places, they go use money, go there, go buy them, constantly dominate EPL. So last no be buy, say you get average players, you still need to buy some kind of experienced names we will come join the team, even if not temporarily. They come to support the youngsters, they give them morale. They get everybody with the average of 24. Who can be the leader? Who can motivate them? Who can turn up in games where we say they're very tight? That's when you know the stuff of champions. See this kind of Brighton game now. You go there, you suffer. You get one chance, go. That's the thing. So we don't get all those kind of experience that will come turn all those kind of tight games around. That's the problem we'll get. CIES Football Observatory don't come outside the value Arsenal squad at £482 million, and this valuation wey dem drop now can make Arsenal squad the 14th most valuable squad in Europe and can make them the 6th most valuable club in EPL in terms of their financial value. Well, all this one I don't really transform to correct play in the field of play. So we dey very expensive. So what? Now what you want chop be that? What you need now? If you enter free the post net for us, give us 3 points, more they climb up for the table. So that's so it just be. So my dear football lovers, now here will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our post, share our videos, follow us and support us, and you see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you say we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us, and God bless you.